مصدقا لما بين يديه وأنزل التوراة والإنجيل من قبل هدى للناس وأنزل الفرقان إن الذين كفروا بآيات الله انتقام إن الله لا يخفى عليه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء هو الذي يصوركم في الأرحام كيف يشاء لا إله إلا هو العزيز الحكيم هو الذي أنزل عليك الكتاب منه آيات محكمات هن أم الكتاب وأخر متشابهات فأما الذين في قلوبهم زيغ فيتبعون ما تشابه منه ابتغاء الفتنة وابتغاء تأويله وما يعلم تأويله إلا الله والراسخون في العلم يقولون آمنا به كل من عند ربنا وما يذكر إلا أولو الألباب ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب ربنا إنك جامع الناس ليوم لا ريب فيه إن الله لا يخلف الميعاد.
ما شاء الله بارك الله فيك. عندنا بالorganization when I'm in sister Dawa organization Kono district and we pass the mic to the sister when the chair lady of this hijab sister for make say salam to the listeners.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all the listeners down there. Would they say once again, we really do appreciate everybody and we tell all man thank you. And we hope that this program will not start so. The aim of it might be successful, inshallah.
MashaAllah, thank you very much. Now we come to the guest, to the OUSTAZ, we will share for making say salam to the public with the listening for now. Make we tell me the topic we will get for we this morning, OUSTAZ.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله وسلم على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه وسلم. On behalf of the delegation from Conakry and we sisters at the organization, the hijab sisters and all the sheikhs them na Konoya, and together with radio Voice of Kono, right from the studio, we say salam to each and every body with the listening we at this time. We say assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, the topic we want to deal with now the same topic of last night. Now we want to continue with the woman in Islam. We choose this topic because of three things. Firstly, we know say this trip this program will go on so due to the effort of we Sheikh Stem Nakonoya within Nakono district here, in cooperation with we sisters and the Hijab Sisters Organization. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala don't make them easy this year. For now we will meet and discuss the issue of Islam. And then we sisters here, the Hijab Sisters Organization, now woman them. And if woman in the panel or chair a program, it will be very, very interesting and very logical for like people them know why make them lady here, why make them sisters here, why make them want them to stronger for spread Islam inside we country Sierra Leone, particularly inside Kono district. So we get for no say a woman get a great role for play inside the propagation of Islam, for spread Islam. The woman get a role, as Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala say, Inna al-Muslimina wal-Muslimat wal-Mu'minina wal-Mu'minat wal-Qanitina wal-Qanitat. When Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala tell we about the believers, the men them, He also tell we about the believing women them, the humble men them and the humble woman them. This issue say the man and the woman, they need for cooperate. They need for cooperate in the term of promoting the religion. We demand them, we get special aspects we concern we. We, if we not get woman, but we side for help we, that side we no go touch that side. So that make Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala a demand combination. So for combine the believers, the man that we believe, and the believing women them for come together and join hand for promote the religion and promote the dawah. In another verse, Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala say, he say, Al-Mu'minuna wal-Mu'minatu ba'duhum awliya'u ba'd. Al-Mu'minun wal-Mu'minat. The believing man them and the believing woman them, ba'duhum awliya'u ba'd, then they cooperate. Each another, they cooperate. Why? Ya'muruna bil ma'ruf wa yanhauna 'anil munkar. For letting command the good and for letting discommand or disqualify or stop the people from the evil. So we get them clear, say, the man and the woman, they cooperate together. They forget the same focus. They forget the same feeling and the same aims in the promotion of Islam. Now that may we tell people them see, with the appeal to the Muslim community, the Muslim Jamaat of Kono District, for give support, for give backbone to this organization when are the Hijab Sisters. Because the role in the place so a great role in the propagation of Islam. This dawah is very, very important. And the man that no more will do am at 100%. We forget woman them by we side. This now one point we make. We choose the topic, the woman in Islam, or the role of the woman in Islam. And secondly, we get woman the way we say, woman in your role now for cook and born picking. Yes. In that is just in a house, a cook and born picking. Then forget one thing, say, if we born picking a house, the woman with the picking in our land, that picking is not easy for that land. If the woman within a house is not better, it's not easy for that the picking better. The woman is the backbone, is the community backbone. You know, they give strength to the community. So Islam they in need of this woman. If we try make them clear to woman and say, they say for land this Islam, they say get a role for pray. Now that make we remind people them yesterday say the first person we convert and we accept Islam, na woman we now we mama Khadija bintu Khuwailid radiallahu anha. Allah make this as in will say a woman for be the first believer, for let the woman they know say they serve them welcome inside Islam. Not to the how some people in the take and say Islam ain't consider woman for dinner kitchen and for dinner bed. No, to bed and kitchen no more. Bed and kitchen, these are two aspects of life. These are two aspects of life. In fact, bed and kitchen not only main purpose of the being of the woman and the society. The woman gets a lot for playing at the society. This is the second point we choose this topic, the woman and Islam. And thirdly, we know say lie. Lie, the enemies of Islam, they don't talk bad about the Muslims and concerning this woman. Say Islam, they pressurize the woman. Islam, they deprive the woman from her right and liberty and freedom. While this is a big lie. This is a big lie. Now that make we give example yesterday. Say, you for know first who say Islam made the woman before you know what Islam do for the woman. Now that make we say, inside Europe and Spain, they may get a big market, a big female market. So they sell woman them. The woman was on sale like animal. As they can say in Arabic, kana tuba'u wa tushtarak al-bahima. You know, then we put woman in a market just like when you go in a shipyard or you go in a cow yard, and you meet cow tie, and they wait for price. You know, they wait for possible they can buy them. Let me get in Spain a big market to sell them, they sell woman them. If you go to Asia, if you go to India today, the Indians, those are bluffers, they are boasters of human rights. Because you know, say Amnesty International, this organization, the first country which here am in India. After the organization, they don't compile them, they don't compose them. India was the first hostess of the organization. Why? They say because the Indians, they are struggling, they are fighting for the freedom of a woman, of the woman. Yandana India, they make one bad habit. Both the Indian, the Chinese, and the Japanese, and the Koreans. Where woman married, then they are alive until the day where a man die. The day where a man die, instead for die. A will for die, a no will for die, they die because a man don't die. Tamut, the anna zawj katufia. So then they carry the woman in their life, and they can't tie him with a man in their body. They light fire, then take the dead body with the living woman, then throw inside the fire for let them burn. And then they take a sedana pride for the family and pride for the society. See, this woman is ready for die for a man. You see, the only tier Africa will get this animal system where man need woman anytime it's of the woman for just for them panam, without pride, without bride price, without married, without any consideration. So the woman was just like a mango. When you feel hungry, meet the mango if you take a eat them. Now Islam can teach the world the value of the woman. Islam we income, they say the one the week being get a bad habit against this woman, they all get problem during the day of judgment. The one that will be the kill, the Arabs, they with them born woman, no, they don't want woman picking. Let me call them born woman, then they bury the picking, they are alive, they bury them alive. Quran teach you this. وإذا بشر أحد بالأنثى ظل وجهه مسودا وهو كظيم يتوارى من القوم بسوء ما بشر به أيمسكه على هون أم يدسه في التراب على ساء ما يحكمون. So they are maltreating the woman. Quran say when one of them born girl picking, and they go out in vex one, and they go be ask people them, what I for do with this evil we God don't give me. And then the court case say this if I die because in a woman. So they bear the girl picking alive. Quran say wa izal maw'udatu su'ilat bi ayyi dhanbin qutilat. God gave go ask them why they kill this girl picking, waiting have been the scene of this girl picking, we in no get right of existence. Prophet of Islam Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he said man zalama imra'atan fa ana khasimun anha yawm al-qiyamah. Anybody sees the right of the woman, and the prophet, nene the advocate, or nene the lawyer of the woman during the day of judgment. You see how Islam can defend the woman from the evil and wickedness we then get towards the woman. So if somebody can tell me, say Islam don't deprive the woman from her right, Islam don't put the woman indoors, Islam don't say let the woman put on hijab, so it's like the woman is not free, we go just, you will know this, you go just feel like laughing. Islam free the woman from being like a ball we did not feel. All man they kick am, all man they do with the ball as he feel like. Islam can tell the woman, say, you for be like a queen. In Islam, the woman is a queen. In Islam, the woman is worth more than diamond. It worth more than gold. It worth more than anything within the world. Because in Islam gives the definition of the woman as the peer of the man. إنما النساء شقائق الرجال. The women then are the twin partners of the men. God Almighty, a give difference in the term of the rights. Say, الرجال قوامون على النساء بما فضل الله بعضهم على بعض وبما أنفقوا. The man gain more power, more strength upon the woman. But this don't mean say the woman should be deprived or the woman should be pressurized. No, Islam not tell you this. Islam say in the term of financial affairs, in the term of power and strength, the man a more get power according to the religion more than the woman. Why? Because the man and the take care of the woman. You know, the man is a caretaker of the woman. And the woman is like gold and diamond. When you buy your diamond, you put it inside glass, you keep them fine. You see, for like the woman not be an item of the community. Anybody we want use them, you take a use them. No. Islam not like this and Islam not accept this. So Islam can fight all this violence against the woman. I make we choose this topic for all people that know say Islam na big blessing and Islam na bounty for the universe, for mankind, and especially the women. And we've been hit at a point of this hijab. This hijab, people then say this na Arabic culture. Beaucoup can take so. Beaucoup can take hijab say na Fula culture, na Madingo culture. Okay, read this. One thing the Voice of Islam na Freetown, we will get a lecture. I've been there with Sheikh Bari on line. One call from Cambia. This is don't pass. In fact, over 15 years now. That's it now. Testing program we've been doing a Voice of Islam. Sheikh Ibrahim Bari. Somebody call we from Cambia. They say, but me they see, and we full musu them, we full woman them, with them Madingo woman them, with them Lebanese and Arabs. Then they cover them body. Why are they covering their body? We ask the woman, which are you feeling towards the covering of body? They say, well, we know we know this. Now from them full woman them Madingo woman them, then Lebanese and Arabs will begin learn this. I say, well, fine. Sometimes the Fula or the Madingo ain't no Islam before you. But once you're a Muslim, you ain't wanna get equal right towards the hijab. We get forget the definition of the hijab, and we get forget the evidences from the Quran and the Sunnah. Say the woman, the Muslim woman, should be in hijab. Now that make a study, we remind say even the Bible, the Holy Bible itself, it command the woman to put on the hijab. Covering the body is part of faith. Covering the woman body is sign of faith. God Almighty says, ذَلِكَ أَدْنَا أَنْ يُعْرَفْنَا فَلَا يُؤْذَيْنَ. Covering the body, putting on the hijab, this na a sign for sure say this woman na a believer. And this, in fact, it will help the woman, for let the woman not for